Good morning, children. Then rest of three conditions are maintained of previous question we will given in the previous video. Then if the partnership did provide interest on capital 10% per annum and the profit for the year is 60,000. Profit is given, which is 60,000, and 10% interest on capital will be provided because partnership deed is same. So in this condition, what will we do? P&L appropriation account, first we will transfer net profit by P&L account 60,000, transfer of profit. Then we will give interest on capital to interest on capital X and Y. Their capital will 2 lakh and 1 lakh. 2 lakh of X and 1 lakh of Y. And interest rate will be given 10%. 2 lakh ka 10%, 20, and 1 lakh ka 10%. Then total interest of capital is 30,000. Then 60,000 profit and 30,000 interest on capital. 60 minus 30, rest of remaining profit is 30, which is distributed in the ratio, given ratio 3 each 2 शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट कर दीजिए, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल भी लिख सकते हैं, एक्स एंड वाई 30,000 इंटू 3/5 एंड 30,000 इंटू 2/5 which is 18 and which is 12. Total 60 and total 60. This condition is complete. Clear? Whenever partnership deed saying about interest on capital and profit are also available, so we will give full interest on capital and remaining profit are distributed to the partners in the given ratio. Then next condition is if the partnership deed provide interest on capital 10% per annum, profit for the year is 18. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल तो 10% आपको देना ही है, बट प्रॉफिट इज ओनली 18. वी विल कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इन प्रीवियस कंडीशन 20,000 ऑफ एक्स एंड 10,000 ऑफ वाई. टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज 30,000, बट प्रॉफिट्स आर अवेलेबल ओनली 18. तो देन whenever profits are less than the interest on capital, then interest on capital will be given to the extent of profits. It means we will give interest on capital only 18,000 to both partners in their ratio. So we will write P&L account, P&L appropriation account, particular amount, credit and debit. First we will transfer as usual profit by P&L account which is how much? 18,000. Then we will give interest on capital because partnership deed is same, to interest on capital X and Y. Interest on capital which is 30,000. Then profit are only 18,000. When we will only interest on capital to the extent of profit. How much is 18,000? 18,000 will be distributed in X and Y in their ratio of interest on capital, in their ratio of, in not ratio of profit, no, only ratio of interest on capital, which is to each one, which is to each one. So 18,000 into 2 upon 3 and Y is also 1 upon 3. So this is 12 and 6. टोटल 18,000 एंड टोटल जितना हमारे पास प्रॉफिट था उतना हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दे चुके. क्लियर. Then last condition, if the partnership deed provide interest on capital 10% per annum and the profit for the year is 18,000. Partnership deed कह रही है, partnership deed is saying we must be given 10% interest on capital, but profit is also 18,000, but it is a charge against profit. It is interest on capital is not appropriation of profit in this condition. It is charge against profit. It means total interest of capital must be given if profits are available or not available. In this condition, what will we do? P&L appropriation account, particular amount, particular and amount. First we will transfer profit by P&L account. How much? 18,000. कितना? 18,000 profit. Interest will be interest on capital, which is given in the condition it is a charge against profit. It means full interest on capital will be given because it is charge against profit. So to interest on capital account X, Y, 20 and 10, total 30. Then 30 and 18 minus 12,000, this is loss. 10 partners capital share of loss X and Y. How much loss? 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. 12 will be distributed in the profit sharing ratio. Is equals to 7,200 and 4,800. Total 12,000 form occur loss which is distributed to partners. Clear? This condition is complete. This question is 5 conditions. Okay. We will interest on capitals question will do in the next video, and the next topic interest on drawing in the next video, which will I post after some time. Okay, thank you. Please give me confirmation through WhatsApp, and all videos आप अच्छी तरह से देखें, and noting must be right in the register this questions and this solutions. I will send you the photos of these questions. Okay, thank you.